In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Maps not showing your location accurately on Android. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is stable, as Maps relies on the internet for accurate location. Next, restart your device. This can fix minor GPS glitches or software issues that may be affecting location accuracy. Then, clear Google Maps app data. Tap and hold the app, select App Info, go to Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Storage and confirm by selecting Delete. After that, check your location settings. Go to Settings, scroll down to Location, then tap Location Services. Make sure location accuracy is turned on. Finally, verify app permissions. In Settings, go to App Location Permissions, find Google Maps, set it to Allow all the time, and toggle on Use Precise Location. And that's it. That's how you can fix Google Maps not showing your location accurately on Android.